Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to automate the process of writing a code in a Visual Studio Code. We are going to create a simple Python script that opens Visual Studio Code and types a hello world program into a file named hello.py and saves it. For this, we can use the Py auto GUI library. So first we need to install it on our system if you don't have it already. So we are just gonna do pip install Py auto GUI and just hit enter. So we are done installing it. Just gonna clear the terminal. And we are going to import a few libraries: OS to execute system commands, time to add delays between actions, Pi auto GUI to control the keyboard and mouse. So let's start. We can write this code in Visual Studio Code also, but I'm just using this editor so we can have it open in another window, the visual. However, you can just import OS, import time, import Pi auto GUI, and then we need to open Visual Studio Code. You need to have code in your path. So this will be system call or start the code, the visual code. So now we are going to wait a few seconds to ensure Visual Studio Code opens. So we're gonna do time.sleep. 5 seconds. Now we are going to create a new file in VS Code by using Pi auto GUI hotkey. We're going to use control and so we are using control plus N to create a new file and wait for the new file to open. Now we are going to type the Python code, simple. And hello world. Next, we are going to use a Pi auto GUI to type the code snippet. That will be Pi auto GUI type write the code Python code interval. Next, save the file as hello.py. Pi auto GUI hotkey. This will be Control S. So here we are emulating pressing Control plus S to save, and then wait for the save dialog. And next, type the file name. So this will be GUI type write hello.py. Then press enter to save the file. Auto GUI press enter. Now we are going to run the code from our console. Save file. So let's run our code. Start it in Python 3 and the name of our Python file, and hit enter. So it started a Visual Studio Code, and now typing hello, saving as a hello world file. So now our code is here, and the file name is hello.py. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.